how to extract QR code of a post on Instagram and save it. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end. Make sure that you like and subscribe in this channel. So let's start. First you will just open Instagram, then you will go to the picture that you wanna do that for it. For example, this, I will just click on this 3 points, then I will go to QR code, then I will click save QR code. For example, I wanna this color black, then I will click save QR code, and that's it. It's done. And that's it guys. I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you next video.